right, so this week we're going to be working on chapter 4. In our last chapter, chapter 3, we worked on graphs and how to use graphs to visualize our data, describe our data, talk about what's going on in our data, right? We talked about skew. We talked about how to, interpret a histogram. Is it symmetrical? How spread out is it, right? Chapter 4, we're going to move into doing a numeric version of this data description. So we're going to start talking about describing the center of your data, describing the spread of your data, right? Describing where one piece of data is compared to all the rest of the data, right? That's going to be the z-score. You're going to need to kind of pay attention to, there's going to be some formulas, there's going to be some math. There is the ability to use that salt becomes pretty helpful here. It'll kind of automatically copy that data over if you want to use that. Almost everything should be somewhat workable in Excel if you want to do that as well. Work on your Excel skills. Because you do have this one, there's like 3 little assignments, or I guess 2 little assignments and a lab and homework. So there are a lot this week. The examples in the introduction should be really quick and easy. They shouldn't take you much more than 5 or 10 minutes. Really do think about the introduction one though. I want you to kind of start thinking about, what do these numbers mean? What do they tell me? What are they not telling me, right? What are these numbers? If I just give you the mean, what do you know? What don't you know? Right, kind of start thinking through these things. And then there's a homework and another lab again. Hopefully the video on the lab last week was helpful. I didn't do one this week because it's almost the same idea. And you're also going to be able to use a lot of the skills that the Excel videos for the week cover. So those are, again, blended in through the module. So read through the module, go through those notes, and go along and work on Excel with those as well. As always, let me know if you run into any issues. Definitely great job for y'all. Several of y'all are really using that Ask My Teacher function on WebAssign. So keep doing that. Definitely, if you haven't started doing that, give one a try, right? If you're confused and lost or just want some clarification on why an answer is a certain way, feel free to use that tool. Please do. There's office hours are on Wednesday at 3, as always. It's been nice to see the couple faces that I've gotten to see, get to know you guys a little bit. So hopefully we'll keep that up and you guys will just rock through numerical summaries. And I hope you guys have a great week.